अरे आजकल
Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are today's top stories. ISRO successfully conducts a reusable launch vehicle autonomous landing mission in Karnataka. Union Home Minister Amit Shah speaks to Bihar Governor on violence in the state. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to inaugurate Diamond Jubilee celebrations of the CBI in New Delhi tomorrow. And Minister for Animal Husbandry and Veterinary A.L. Heck inaugurates Elite Pathway Program. The news in detail. The Indian Space Research Organisation or ISRO has successfully carried out the reusable launch vehicle autonomous landing mission in Karnataka. The test of the reusable launch vehicle RLV Lex was conducted at the Aeronautical Test Range in Chitradurga in the early hours today. A Chinook helicopter of the Indian Air Force carried the launch vehicle to a height of 4.5 kilometers and released it mid-air. Based on 10 parameters like velocity, altitude and approach, the reusable launch vehicle performed the landing maneuvers at 350 kilometers per hour speed using the integrated navigation, guidance and control system and completed the autonomous landing on the airstrip at 7:40 am today. This has successfully achieved the autonomous precise landing of the space vehicle. Senior BJP leader and Union Home Minister Amit Shah will address a public meeting at Hiswa in Nawada district this afternoon. The Home Minister and Bihar BJP President Samrat Chaudhary's visit to Sasaram in Rohtas district has been called off due to the imposition of Section 144 following clashes during Ram Navami festivities in the area. The Home Minister was scheduled to address public meetings at Sasaram today. Laying foundation stone of the building of Shastra Seema Bal in Patna was also cancelled due to unavoidable reasons. Tight security arrangements have been made in view of programs of the Union Home Minister. Shah today spoke to Bihar Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar over violence in the state and expressed concern over the situation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the Diamond Jubilee celebrations of the Central Bureau of Investigation tomorrow at 12 noon in New Delhi. On the occasion, the Prime Minister will confer the President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service and Gold Medal for Best Investigating Officers of the CBI. The Prime Minister will also inaugurate a newly constructed office complexes of the CBI at Shillong, Pune and Nagpur. He will release a postage stamp and commemorative coin marking the Diamond Jubilee celebration year of the CBI. He will also launch the Twitter handle of the Central Bureau of Investigation. The CBI was established by resolution of the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, dated 1st April 1963. Meghalaya Minister for Animal Husbandry and Veterinary A.L. Heck on Saturday inaugurated the 3-day Star Elite Pathway Training Camp at Sai Nehu, Shillong. The camp is organized by the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, ARM's PT Edge 10 Sportality team in collaboration with the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya. The inaugural function was also attended by Meghalaya Chief Secretary D.P. Walang, Ian Campbell, Olympian Jesper Olsen, Director, Future Football, former Denmark World Cup player John Karshiing, Working President MSOA, besides others. Speaking at the inaugural function as the chief guest, Mr. Heck lauded the efforts of the MSOA in organizing the camp, which will help local athletes of the state excel in the field of sports. The top 200 participants, 100 male and 100 females, based on overall digital rankings from the Talent Identification Program Phase 1, have been selected to be part of the one-year Elite Pathway Program. The 28th annual day of the Airports Authority of India was celebrated on 1st April 2023 at the Shillong Airport with full enthusiasm by the employees and their participation in a function held here. All the heads of the department assembled where Sri Rishikant Bangwal, Airport Director, Shillong Airport AAI, read the chairman's message on the occasion. Enhancing the camaraderie and team spirit, the 28th annual day function was held at the all AAI airports and its establishments in the northeastern region today. In his address to the HODs and the employees, Rishikant Bangwal said that the AAI family is committed to fulfill the vision and mission of AAI. He also emphasized on increasing the degree of belongingness towards the Airports Authority of India. In IPL cricket, Royal Challengers Bangalore will clash with Mumbai Indians in Bengaluru at 7:30 p.m. today. Yesterday, Lucknow Super Giants thrashed Delhi Capitals by 50 runs in Lucknow. Put into bat, Lucknow made 193 runs, losing 6 wickets in the stipulated 20 overs. In reply, Delhi could manage only 143 for 9. Kolkata were 146 for 7 in 16 overs when rain stopped play as they required 46 more runs to win in 4 overs. Punjab stood 7 runs ahead as per DLS method. And now for the weather. The maximum temperature was recorded at 21 degrees Celsius with the minimum at 9.6 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 80%, dropping to 48% in the evening, with rainfall measured at 0.2 millimeters. The forecast tells us light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at most places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And for our viewers who missed out, here's a quick recap of today's top stories. ISRO successfully conducts reusable launch vehicle autonomous landing mission in Karnataka. Union Home Minister Amit Shah speaks to Bihar Governor on violence in the state. Prime Minister Modi to inaugurate Diamond Jubilee celebrations of the CBI in New Delhi tomorrow. And Minister for Animal Husbandry and Veterinary A.L. Heck inaugurates the Elite Pathway Program. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.